Good morning, YouTube. How's all the beautiful people doing? It's Wednesday morning. Today, we're going to be trying out this aftermarket ignition coil. Some of you may know, but we had a blower in here the other day, the Echo PB50, I believe. No. Anyway, 255, that's what it was. Anyways, we had to rob the ignition coil off this pruner, Echo PPF-210. And we got that blower going. So today we are going to put this aftermarket coil made by Partsrun on this pruner. And we're going to see how it works. Let me get you guys set up and we'll dig into it. Alright, get this thing disassembled. Try out this coil. Hopefully it's worth a shit. Hopefully. The reviews on it weren't terrible, but you know, as with anything out there, there's always people that have good luck and people that don't have no luck. Seemed to me like a lot of them, the ones that talk about how crappy something is are the ones that don't really sound like they know what they're talking about. So we'll find out. Now that blower, the coil would spark pretty good, say in idle, but then anything above that, it would lose its spark. So we had to rob the coil off of this. Boy, that exhaust could use a little attention, you know it? Thank God. That's rough. So we'll see what kind of performance we get out of this aftermarket. Here she is right here. That is part number X002 NC341L. Made in China. How about that? Seems like everything anymore is made in China. If you compare it to the one that came out of the blower, a little bit more mass with this one. The boot looks kind of cheesy, but oh well. Let's see how it works. We shall see. Looks like it's gonna fit all right. I wonder. No, that's not. Let me rotate this around till we get magnets up here. Yeah, it's lined up. I did read where one of the reviews said something about it didn't fit. So, looks like it's going to fit here just fine. Alright, let me this thing up and tighten her down a little. Oh yeah, she's gonna fit. It is, I do see where it is touching the cylinder head, but I didn't pay attention to the other one well enough to say whether or not it did. Alright, let me get what I have today for my air gap is just a piece of 220. I measured it out. It's 9.5, 9 3/4 thousandths, something like that. So we'll slap it in there like that. Let the magnets pull it down. Tighten her back up. Just like that. Oh, good, no hitting. All right. Oh. Shit. I don't want to have to take it off. May have to though. I don't recall. Let me go ahead and run this wire up through there as well. Get your ass back on there. There. I think I got too much going on right here. What do y'all think? Oh well. We'll see what happens. Come on. Get in there. It'll work good enough to see if this coil's any good, won't it? Putting it together like it's gonna work, ain't it? I'm not gonna worry about that little cap that goes on top. Plug that in, get my spark checker. We'll just see what kind of business it gives us. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but Finally got spark. Put that on there and see what happens, shall we? Alright. Little prime. Choke. Kill. Well, looks like it's going to work. Longevity will be another story, but we'll know. Alright guys, thanks for joining in. Please like and subscribe, share, leave comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.